This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. I'm going to show you how to transform a small town street into a cinematic sci-fi screenshot of an enormous UFO hovering over it. We're going to build it together by using this photo of a small town street and this flying saucer. The first step is to separate the saucer from the background. Open the Quick Selection tool and click the Select Subject button. This makes a selection of it. Press Ctrl or Command J to cut and copy it onto its own layer. Now delete the saucer under it by making it active and pressing the Delete key on your keyboard. Hide the saucer. We'll convert the street photo into a smart object so we can add filters to it non-destructively. Click the icon at the upper right and click Convert to Smart Object. Go to Edit and Sky Replacement. I did an in-depth tutorial on the sky replacement filter, so if you'd like to watch it, I provided its link as well. Click the arrow next to the thumbnail. If you don't see all the sky preset folders, in a moment I'll show you how to get them. We'll be using this ominous-looking storm sky within the Storms Pack 1 folder. To upload it, click the gear icon, Get More Skies, and Download Free Skies. It'll take us to the Adobe page that shows all of its free downloadable sky collections. Scroll to Storms and click Download. Click the arrow next to the sky again, open the Storms Pack folder, and click this one. For our example, we'll keep all the settings at their default amounts. Next, we'll brighten the traffic lights. Make the Sky Replacement folder active, and click the Layer Mask icon to make a layer mask next to it. Open the Brush tool and Brush Picker. Pick a soft, round brush. We'll adjust its size in a moment. Its hardness is 0%, and its opacity and flow are 100%. To make our brush bigger or smaller, make sure the Caps Lock key is off and press the right or left bracket key on the keyboard. Make it approximately this size and click twice over each light. Make the saucer visible and active. Convert it into a smart object. We'll copy the sky layer mask and place it next to the saucer to mask out the portions of the saucer that appear over the foreground. Place your cursor over the sky layer mask and press and hold Alt or Option as you drag a copy of it next to the saucer. Let's collapse the folder to save some space in the Layers panel. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Blur it 2 pixels. Next, we'll angle the saucer. Press Ctrl or Command T to open the Transform tool. If you see this message, it's just letting us know the blur will be temporarily turned off until we're done with the Transform tool. Just click OK. Go to a corner and rotate it counterclockwise to angle it. Then press Enter or Return. Next, we'll blend the saucer into the clouds. Make the layer mask active. At the top, reduce the brush's opacity to approximately 50%. Enlarge the brush to 200 pixels and brush over areas of the saucer to reveal the clouds. If you want to undo a brush stroke, simply press X to invert the foreground and background colors to make white your foreground color. Then brush over those areas to reveal back the saucer. Feel free to adjust the brush's size and opacity. Lastly, we'll give it an ominous cinematic look, but before we do, Shift-click the bottom layer to make all the layers active and convert them into one smart object. Go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. click the Presets icon and the Cinematic Style folder. Click the CN03 preset. Open the Grain folder and click Light. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching.